Alright, welcome to another video, guys. I'm hoping this picks up well, because I don't want to re-record this. As you saw from the thumbnail, we're building a weight rack. Yeah. Trying to keep it cheaper, there's a lot out there for many $100s. I don't have the receipts. It should be under $100. It's wood, it's 2 4x4s, 2x4, couple pieces of angle iron. No welding, just drills and saws. That's all you need for this weight rack. Should be a good build. If you don't like videos with lots of breathing, don't watch this video. I'm going to try and cut them out, take it down in volume, but there's a lot of breathing. I don't know why. Really don't. Guess I'm really out of shape or something. Anyways, enjoy the video. Like and subscribe and stuff. Yeah, YouTube stuff. Thanks. Have a good day. Alright guys, welcome to another video. Today we're actually making a weight rack. I'm sure you saw it in the thumbnail, and I'll probably have a little intro before here. We're going to try and build this in one day. I unfortunately don't have a way to film my phone. Actually, I could take a screen recording and I'll show you that. But it is currently 4:30. I just got home from work. So we're gonna try and get this cranked out. We're gonna use these as the sides, this as the middle part. We're gonna paint it all black. I'm thinking these are the tools. I got this. I have an angle iron somewhere that I'm gonna use to hold the weights on. I'm gonna try and do some joinery, and I got just a used box of screws, and this is just old paint from whatever. These are my tools. I'm gonna try and do some joinery. We're gonna see how it goes. Only other tool you're gonna need is either some kind of saw, circular saw, rip cut saw, some way to cut these 4x4s, because we're gonna cut a middle section out of it. But you'll see when we get there. All right, enjoy the video, guys. I'll be back. Dog's gotta go out. Alright, so this next clip, it's part of a clip. I don't like the beginning, so I'm just showing you the end. Oh, you missed. I cut a board in half, and then I just clamp them together and cut them down to the same length. I put the two cut ends butt up in line with each other, pushed up against it, clamped it, then clamped the other end so that way I could run, pretty much just cut them both down to 4 feet. It's like a 9-foot board. I cut in half, and then cut down. Yeah, it's just, it looks, I didn't like the clip. So, this is what you get. Alright, so we got this. I got it at the angle I want. So we're just using 5 of these. We're gonna go corners, and then I'll put one in the middle once I move the clamp. Just don't want it to pivot and move. These are just 9 2.5 inch. I don't know what the pound means. They're just 2.5 inch screws. It's a pound box. I don't know, they were just laying around. I think they're just like decking screws. I don't know. Who knows? They'll work for this job. Has the bit in there. And then we'll just clamp these screws. Builds. Let me know if you like these builds. Not 100%. If it's kind of like something I want to just do occasionally. Also, that'll be the inside. The outside will be nice and clean and flush. Did a lot better on the second one. A lot better. It's a lot better. I don't even need a clamp. Do the middle one right away. Let's see if I need to change the angle again. Boom, there's our edges. Then we'll do the outsides to do the runners. And then I'll show you how we're doing the angle iron.
Alright, to dumb this down, I'm using these big screws, and I'm going to pilot hole as far as I can with the drill bits I have. And that way I can not take as much effort to get through the 4x4, and then it'll drill right into the 2x4. That's all you're seeing of this clip, because the rest of it is just me putzing around with a drill.
Alright, so we got it attached. Once she gets the second one, she'll stable up a little bit, hopefully. I failed the one day. It was like
10 o'clock at that last clip, and I still got a cut angle iron, and I didn't want to do that. I got neighbors. So it's Saturday, so we're gonna finish this real quick, throw the other beam on, throw the angle iron on, and then we'll get this thing painted up. If it doesn't stabilize, I'll figure something out to do it. Maybe another 2x4 on the bottom or something. But let's get this attached. I'm just using little screws. I think you can see these. These are just 4-inch deck screws, exterior wood screws. I'm just gonna use 2 of those on each end. We'll throw the 2x4 straight across. We're gonna do vertical this time. It'll have a lot more rigidity on weight. Alright, I just did that one. It was being a pain. So I just did it so you don't have to see me fussing with it for 20 minutes. These screws are pre-drilled in. That way I can just fight this board to be in line. Busting out of the screw. Shouldn't be doing this right now, I'm tired. Line this up and just like that, you don't get to see my misery. Have fun with this clip. Alright, I just attached it. It was being a pain. I didn't bother recording it because I wouldn't be happy with the footage. This is, I don't know what's going on here. I'm just gonna have to, you know, it's on there, but I'm just gonna have to fill that in with wood filler and paint it. So, other than that, it's attached. It's just 2 screws on each end. These just got the big screws. We're gonna throw the angle iron on here, just on the edge. I'm gonna cut that, we're gonna cut that down. This is overkill, but it's the closest shirt I had to cover up. Before drilling your holes, be sure to spray them with WD-40. Just realized I never showed you how to connect the angle iron to the actual weight rack. It's just a carriage bolt. They're just 4 carriage bolts. It's a carriage bolt. Goes through the I-beam, or angle iron, through the angle iron, through the wood, and then a washer and a nut screws on. That's it. I just realized I never had footage of it, but I assume you guys are smart enough to figure that out. Thanks for watching. There it is, fully stocked up. Got from 25 to 45, missing a 40, but hey, it holds it, it's stable. Puts it at the perfect height, so you don't have to bend down. No hurt in your back, just picking up weights. Too small for all my weights, but I got too many, so those don't hurt my back. Those barely ever move. Those never move. So these are the high use ones. So good height, good weight. And yeah, should be
perfect little setup for home gyms. I believe it's old materials. It's like 2 4x4s, a 2x4, and then angle iron. It's 2 to 3 feet pieces, couple bolts, couple screws. Definitely something anybody could throw together. And the joinery, I mean, that's unnecessary. You could just figure out your own way. I just wanted to figure out some joinery. Yeah, so there's the weight rack for the home gym. Fits nice, looks nice. Thanks for watching the video, guys. See ya.